amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Miss Bohemia, and I am actually hoping to have a good end to my wash day today. This wash day has taken place over the course of 3 videos. Let me explain. I pre-pooed my hair, I shampooed my hair, I bond builded my hair, I protein treated my hair, and then I did a little conditioner. And following that, I normally do my purple hair mask. I am in love with the Amika hair mask. You can see my video on that here. However, today, I decided to go ahead and try another purple hair mask by Not Your Mother's, which was an absolute disaster and did nothing for my hair. You can see that video here. I followed that up by deep conditioning, and I used the Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter hair mask by Maui Moisture. It was awful. It did nothing for my hair. My hair felt so dry, so my hair really didn't end its little wash cycle on the best note. You can view that video here. When I purchased that Maui Moisture product, I was overly confident that it was going to do well with my hair, and I also went ahead and I purchased a styler. And today, I'm continuing with Maui Moisture, in particular the Quench Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. I don't know. Hopefully, I'll do well with it because I do well with coconut oil. It's being marketed to be used as a styling cream, and so that's what I'm going to do. I have also applied my moisture base. I use the lock method, so I've gone in and I've applied my leave-in. I followed that up with an oil, and I finished it up with a cream. I have recently discovered and am enamored by Soultanicals. I am normally a hardcore TGIN girl. Now, you can view my TGIN playlist here. However, Soultanicals has captured my heart, and I've been living the Soultanicals life. And so today, I'm returning to TGI Natural for my moisture base, mainly because I know that TGI Natural plays really well with other products. And so I live between TGI Natural and Soultanicals now. But since I already pointed you towards my TGIN playlist, here's my Soultanicals playlist. Let's jump in. Doesn't have a very strong smell. I can't even make it out. You know what? That's better than a very strong smell, so I'm good. This is a good place to start with some brands. That's more than enough for my entire head of hair. So I'm going to apply it, see how it feels. Let's take it from there. But as far as slip on the hand feels good. Let me see how it feels on the hair. I'm going to flip and I'll be right back. It feels okay. That's all I can say. It feels okay on the hair. The slip was okay. Upon applying it to my hair, it feels fine. I had issues with the mask because it felt great on my hands, but upon applying it to my hair, it felt drying. I'm not experiencing that issue with the styling cream, so it gives me hope that I can at least finish off my wash day with good looking hair. So I'm just gonna scrunch it in a little more and then get on to diffusing. So for the sake of keeping this wash day moving along and not taking up too much of your time, let's diffuse and let's see how we do. Fingers crossed. This is fresh up diffusing. It doesn't want to stay parted in the middle. I haven't fluffed, I haven't done anything. I just wanted to show you the shrinkage, which is something I enjoy. Not quite sure how it's feeling just yet, and it keeps wanting to do the side part. Let me go ahead, work with it, fluff it out, and let's check out the final result. Not too bad. I'm not disappointed. It looks cute. The curls feel nice and springy. However, full disclosure, full honesty, it doesn't feel the best. It feels a little tacky on my hair, and my back isn't super happy. And for wash day 1 to start off like that, it feels a little drier than it would with other products and a little stickier, so that's not a good sign. I am guessing that for refresh days I will not be reapplying this, so hopefully there's enough hold in my hair to last me. I'll have to play it by ear and see, but normally when I refresh my hair, I wet my hair and I go back in with whatever leave-in cream that I might need. Sometimes I do the full LOC method, sometimes I do the leave-in and just the oil, or cream and just the oil. I tend to listen to my hair and see what my hair is telling me, and by that same token, I'll see if I need to reapply. Any styler will have to gauge it and see, but let me show you the results. So I don't know. It looks okay. Not the most optimal look here, but I'm gonna remedy that by using the Denman brush or the Tangle Teaser moving forward and styling my hair that way and seeing how my hair turns out and how it feels more than anything. It's not the best feeling hair situation right now on wash day. We'll see. Let's see how far I can stretch this out. And this is day 4 and this is all you get. Maui Moisture Quench Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie was a bust. No, I don't like Maui Moisture. I don't. I tried their mask on the same wash day and it was awful. I can't even begin to tell you how much hair breakage I have. And I can't just blame it solely on the mask. I'm also placing blame on this styling product. Day one didn't feel amazing, and I already felt the back of my hair was a little scraggly. It gave me better results than I expected, but that's not saying much because I wasn't expecting all too much. And now being on day 4, I didn't even bother doing my hair. I'm dying to wash my hair. I've been dying to wash my hair since day 1, but I thought I'd give this a go. And the problem with taping the videos the way I do is that I normally like to tape the day before I wash. So that means doing my makeup and all that, and I've been lazy. I've been lazy and I've been putting it off. And so here I am on day 4 thinking, oh my god, I don't want to do my hair for the sake of the video. So you know what? I didn't. Right after I filmed this, I want to go and cater to my hair because it feels super dry. It feels really brittle. I've been having way more breakage than normal, and that is a horrendous sign. I've already been having issues with breakage, so that's a whole other story for a whole other video. But there are products that can either be conducive to more breakage happening or help kind of like hold it back, and this is not it. Maui Moisture has not been the best for my hair. It's very ironic that it's called Maui Moisture because it has been so drying, both this and the mask that I tried. And honestly, I don't want to try Maui Moisture again. Anything from the brand. I don't understand the hype. What else can I tell you? It's just a no. Even if it smelled amazing, even if it had amazing slip or there were other qualities attached to it, at the end of the day, what matters is how does your hair feel. Even if it looked amazing, great. But how does the hair feel? My hair does not feel good with Maui Moisture. And that's that. And here is where this comes to an end. And that's it. I don't know. Have you had better experiences with Maui Moisture? Have you tried it? Honestly, I really don't see myself ever wanting to try this brand again, or if I do, succeeding with any of their products. It's not for me. Moving on. Stay tuned for next week's video, and let's see what I'll be trying then. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell. My algorithm and I definitely thank you. And see you next week. Ciao for now.